Look at this fucking guy. This is Stevie in his big bad truck. What do you freaking want with this loud ass truck?
Do you want any fucking thing for lunch or not?
Hold on, I got something for this motherfucker. Give me this shit. Here, you take this and you get everything on the dollar menu, motherfucker. Wait.
You want everything on the dollar menu, you need $2, bitch.
I don't got $2. Fuck him. Look at that freaking cocksmoker in a big ass loud truck. Fucking, I heard those things fucking come with the hood up.
I heard there's something called the Rev Limiter Challenge now. So let's get on this bitch. Put my key in the ignition real quick. Oh, on the window so you can really hear.
Buy a Ford, they said. Buy a diesel, they said. It'll go anywhere, they said. I guess you can't go anywhere with a fucking Dodge pulling you.
Why won't this truck just fucking start? I need like 7 different parts.
This can get you.
Hey, what's this? Hey, bud, does that thing even got a rev limiter? Ben, how do you shift gears?
You just kind of slam it in gear and fucking ride it like you're riding a poop town.
Grind them and find them, you know?
Grind them, find them, wham them, bam them.